Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back, and today I just got a quick little video, and I've ordered these little stickers, and they actually look way better than I thought they would. They're hard. I thought they were just like little vinyl plastic stickers, but anyway, they go on your wheel in the center, and it should just improve that look to make it look like a little bit of a OEM look wheel, because I don't have the most expensive wheels. I'm just gonna pop these on, and they'll look kind of like a factory wheel, I hope. So anyway, it's hot as anything out here, so I'm sweating like crazy, but let's get into it. Okay. As you can see here, I've already put that one on, so that looks cool. So let's get the rest of them on. Okay, so we'll just get that clean. And we'll peel that sticker off, like so, and just put it right in the middle. And there you have it, BMW looking wheels. Let's just get on to the other side now. Okay, that's the stickers on, and looks like BMW wheels. So yeah, they look pretty cool. I think it just gives that wheel the OEM look, and I like it. So yeah, anyway guys, if you like this video, feel free to leave a comment and give us a like, and if you want to see more videos from me, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye for now.